Namaste children, I am your fine art teacher. Today we are going to do shapes with the creativity. I need the paper, ruler, pencil and eraser first. Your ruler thickness line you will draw. No measurements, just your ruler thickness. Start the drawing with the ruler thickness and try to cover your full paper. Go slowly. Just ignore the extra part. Ignore the extra part, you can cut it afterwards. What you will draw in this square box? You will draw a minimum 3 lines in one square. 3 lines in one square. You can use a curved line, 2 straight line or all 3 curved lines is up to you how you are going to use. This is my box. In the box, if I draw 3 lines this way, so automatic my 3 lines will come this way and automatic this line will come this way. So I will get another design. In my box, suppose I am using 1 and 2 and 3 line like this way. So automatic I will get with the curved line another shape. If you will create one design, it will be continue for everywhere. You are not going to change the design for every box. So it's a continuity for whatever creation you will do a continue. This is my curved design, my 2 straight line. I show you few more samples what other students also have done last year, so you will get an idea how to go about it. Again I repeat, each box you have to do 3 minimum line, maximum you can do 4, 7, no issue for me, but at least 3 you have to create. As I show you, see 1, 2 and 3 lines, continue and is going, and how it's given with the color balance and everything. You can see this work. Here they have used the curved line, box line, curved line, box lines alternate. Same way with the color combination, its effect is giving a different 3D effects. Cool and warm colors, contrast color scheme also they have used. Here only and only the warm colors, red, orange and yellow, and simple square. Here they have used a drop shape and complete the work. The same lines work, but effects are different. If the 3 lines, you can see this is also 3 lines, this is also 3 lines, this is also same way 3 lines, but effect is looking so different due to the coloring. So you can change your effect with the coloring also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great day.